Nambabastos na siya sa mga tao dito sa Duterte. Nag-i-enjoy yung mga tao dito. Siya yung gumagawa ng gulo.
No, this is my appeal, ha? This is my appeal. I'm sorry that... Oh.
May satanas talaga.
This is my appeal, ha? Some things are right, some things are wrong. You need to take a stand against wrong. Alvin, you're the best friend. Take a stand. Nasasama ka dito, okay?
Kawawa nga
Lahat
naman.
ng tao ilang sa'yo because of your association with him. Some, there's good, there's bad. There's correct, there's wrong. Okay? Hindi ko alam kung ano pang pinost niya, pero ako yan siguro, no?
Ikaw, sir.
Ano na naman nakasulat?
Sabi niya, nagsaya ka sa humba.
Kung kinakain mo na yung humba nila. Pa spaghetti.
Mami, can I pay for the whole humba?
Ako naman nagluto
Oo nga eh. I'll pay for the whole humba. I'll pay for the whole humba, ha?
Yung
I'll pay for
humba
the
ako
whole humba.
nag-sponsor sa humba.
Oh,
Huwag
pero
niyong
ganito.
pakialaman
No,
ha.
no, wait,
Para
wait.
sa lahat yan.
Pero ito sinasabi ko once and for all, The Hague. Merong tama, merong mali. You have to take a stand kung mali. Kung mali ang ginagawa, paalam nyo. Kasi akala niya, sunod-sunuran kayo sa kanya eh. That's why he gets away with it.
Kaya nga
You
kailangan
have
na
to-
magwala
You
minsan
have to
eh.
take a stand. Nasisira tayo rito, all because of him.
Hindi, walang right.
Diba?
Yan yung mga taong walang
Tama o mali. Diba? My goodness, food.
Kasayahan tayo.
Oh my gosh, food. At saka,
Sinabi yung birthday ng kaibigan niya.
mami naman, no? Humba mo yun, no?
Si Alvin,
Birthday na birthday, oh.
Tama
Hindi ko maintindihan.
Hindi ko alam na gano'n pala ang nangyari.
No, pero wag ka naman plastic. He's really your best friend. Take a stand.
Hey, can you stop? Hey. Attorney, stop.
Ako kasi yung binalastin.
Kaya nga, I didn't know. Kung hindi siya sumigaw, hindi ko
Ako
malaman.
kasi, pero sinasabi ko kasi, wag ka nang magpapaka-plastic,
Uy,
right or
kasi
wrong.
I'm plastic.
Tell us, do you think what he's doing is correct or not?
I'm trying to talk to him kasi nga, this is not good kasi hindi naman pala humba.
Humba nga eh.
Humba, may nakalagay.
Humba.
Kaya nga, hindi pala humba. Let me talk to him.
No, there's right and there's wrong. And I'm encouraging everyone. Take a stand.
Shouting like
No,
that.
not intimidating
I
you.
can make a stance without shouting.
Well, okay, take a
Don't
stand then.
intimidate me. Because
Ako
I'm not
kasi yung
intimidated
sinira.
by you.
Ako kasi
Tama
yung
na.
sinira.
Tama
Why, you
na.
think I care if you're intimidated by me?
Yeah, exactly. I'm
Hey,
that's why I'm
attorney,
shouting.
Alvin,
just
tama
telling
na.
you.
It's his birthday, so please stop.
But I was the one blasphemed.
I know, but
Don't
please
tell me
stop.
to stop.
Please.
I was the one blasphemed.
Please,
I was the one.
please,
Mag-please ka na mag-please. Ako ang binastos.
stop.
Mami, magkano yung humpa na yan? I'll pay 10 times the
No,
amount.
you're my son. Birthday kasi na is as long as you want.
Lahat naman kumakain sa humba.